Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. That number is growing every single day. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started, especially in cryptos. It's crazy right now. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you do that. So give it a good old thumbs up, massage it, kiss it, give it a good old tap down there, all right? It'll really help me out. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. My golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that, especially in cryptos, all right? So please be careful. Do not take what I say as financial advice in these videos. All right, ladies and gentlemen, formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab today, and look at what's next to Biden XRP. Now, this is extremely difficult to fake. It's not fake. It was on Fox Business, and I know for a fact it's not faked, guys. I mean, it just basically shows, you know, it was literally taken on someone's television set right there. So that's pretty incredible as well. But anyway, let's get straight into some market updates. I'm not going to read through all the prices because I've seen a lot of people come in saying, oh, I'm going too much. But I use CoinSpot to buy my cryptos in Australia. It is an incredible platform and exchange, very safe. I use it literally every single week, so I love it. Anyway, there's a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin to get you started. That's if you're interested in starting. Please do your own research, though. But Bitcoin's sitting at 55,000 Australian dollars today, which is really nice. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm going to go through my favorites. Ethereum, $4,000, up 2.51%. Cardano's $1.55. XRP, 90 cents. Got some interesting updates about XRP today. Obviously, I've got my other favorites here. DOT, $2.38. Crow, 63. Algo, $1.39. Stellar XLM, 29 cents. Hedera's at 33 cents. Mana and Sandbox, there's some big stuff happening there. Was literally all over the finance news last night. I was watching CNBC, as I do pretty much every night. It's crazy. Money never sleeps. It's insane. Literally. Anyway, so let's keep scrolling down here. VeChain, 7 cents. I'm going to keep scrolling down here. Harmony One, 26 cents. You've got Gala, 29 cents. Neo, $28. And Quant, 149. Obviously, Quant's definitely on my radar. Rose, 47 cents. And my other favorite here is XDC, sitting at 8 cents. Again, I want 6 figures of XDC. Let's get into some news, because there's a heap of stuff happening literally every single day. It's like 24 hours a day. There's always something happening around the world with cryptos or stocks. But it's unbelievable. So we've got Leo sitting at 14%. I like the name of that. I don't know what it does, though. Mina is at 11%. Solana's up. Everything's in the green here. The graph as well, I'm holding that 8%, which is really nice. Saitama's down 12%. I don't know what that does, but again, it's big bubble there. Quant, 6.8%. Algorand, 5.5% there. So there's still incredible buying opportunities. It's really nice to see this in the green on the daily. Again, XRP, I'm still very bullish on, ladies and gentlemen. It's sitting at 62 cents right now, USD. Now, there have been some announcements last night, or obviously when we're sleeping here in Australia, it's really annoying because we get all the news updates really early in the morning anyway when we're asleep. But you've got a partnership that has been made with Modular. So payments designed by you, powered by us. So this is really interesting. This is a mega company here, guys. So business payments are clunky, costing you time, resources, and customers. We provide API payments infrastructure so you can efficiently automate and embed payments, unlocking operational efficiency and revenue drivers. So look at this, guys. $100 billion in pounds. Sorry, not dollars, pounds. This is insane, guys. Value of payments processed to date, 140 million transactions processed to date, 24/7 customer support. So this is a mega company, obviously based in Europe there. So that's a partnership that was literally announced by Ripple last night. So again, I keep saying that Ripple and XRP is going to be an incredible project, regardless of what's happening at the moment with this SEC lawsuit in the United States. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if Ripple just packs up their bags and moves overseas to a country that is not going to be hindering the growth of the company. Just putting it out there, but I'm very bullish on XRP. DC dollar cost averaging into it on a weekly basis, just building up my position slowly. I mean, who's to say, the crypto XRP couldn't hit, insane, 2-digit, 3-digit XRP, in the future. So that's where my outlook is long term with XRP. Some other stuff here. XRP price eyes a 20% move as Ripple consolidates to form a base. XRP price has been hovering around the 60-cent level. Yes, we all know that. Support level for almost 10 days now. A resurgence of buying pressure of 60 cents could see Ripple rally 20%. And again, however, the breakdown of 60-cent barrier could lead to a 20% crash. I'm not really worried about that because I'm dollar cost averaging. This is really annoying on the Wall Street Journal. I mean, everyone loves passive income, straight up. Like every finance website, all the stuff to do with cryptos, whatever it's, everyone wants to earn monthly passive income. So they want to charge people $1 US a week. I'm not going to pay that because I'm just going to quickly read this here. But Ripple's legal brawl with the SEC could help settle when cryptocurrencies are securities. And an SEC win would boost its case to regulate much of the crypto market, while a loss would reinforce calls for clearer laws. I agree. So the lawsuit obviously is just basically going after the, obviously Ripple and XRP, saying it's a security and whatnot, which it actually isn't. It literally was, ruled on in a court case years ago that it is a virtual currency, a digital currency. It's not a security. Again, you don't get voting rights to the company. You don't get benefits to vote on the board of directors. You don't get benefits in terms of dividends being paid out. How is it a security? The XRP ledger was created years and years ago, before any of all of this legal stuff came about. It was already operational. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation was invested. SBI invested. Bank of England invested into it. It was already up and running before the XRP token obviously went out to public. So put that into perspective, SEC. Come on, get your stuff together. Anyway, some other news here, guys. We've got institutional inflows into digital assets rising again. I've seen a video from Coin Bureau. He's an incredible YouTuber, and I love his content because he gets straight to the point. No BS. Straight up. There's a lot different from when the last market crash happened in 2017, 2018. There's a lot more adoption happening right now. You've got a lot of institutional money that's involved in cryptocurrencies now. You've got, BlackRock, you've got Vanguard, Fidelity, all these big institutions now are adopting cryptocurrencies. You've got, big corporations, businesses that are using it, countries that are using cryptos as legal tender. So guys, things are very different now in the crypto space, and it's only going to get bigger from here. And it's incredible to be a part of this so early on. And I love it, and I'm sure you guys do as well. But anyway, so it looks like institutional investors remain confident about the outlook of cryptocurrencies despite the ongoing rout, and have instead made the most of the opportunity to buy this asset class at lows. At the lows, according to the data of CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw an inflow of $19 million over the last week, at a time when most retail investors hesitated to enter the market with buyer positions. Market leader Bitcoin regained supreme. I'm lost here. Regained accounting for the largest share of inflows among cryptos, although multi-asset funds received high interest, generating inflows from institutional investors worth $32 million in the last week. Other cryptos that enjoyed inflows among the top assets include Litecoin. I'm not invested in Litecoin, just putting that out there, and Ripple XRP. Meanwhile, the second most popular crypto, Ethereum, raked up weekly outflows of the tune of $26 million over the past weeks. Crazy stuff. Some other news here. We've got here Bitcoin halving. Again, so look at this claim, this offer. Everyone loves passive income, man. Bitcoin halving will stir the next crypto frenzy, Thai exchange says. So another pronounced bull run for the Bitcoin coming in 2024 when the world's largest cryptocurrency goes through another halving, according to Thailand's largest digital asset exchange. Halving occurs every 4 years, slowing the rate at which the tokens are created. Some argue that it leads to a Bitcoin price gains, a topic of much debate. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens here. But guys, DCAing into all cryptocurrencies is my philosophy. So again, if it goes up, fantastic. I've been holding my Bitcoin since 2017 still. Haven't sold it. The crypto crash. This is in the Sydney Morning Herald. Again, crypto is literally in every major news outlet on the planet, even in Australia. This is based in Sydney Morning Herald. So crypto prices are tumbling. By one account, crypto assets have lost about 1.3 trillion US dollars globally since November, with some falling as much as 80%. many investors feel the real pinch. The good news is that the global economy, for that matter, American society, is not poorer, and thus there is a need to not to be much of an economic response to adjust these new prices. The flip side is that the crypto prices see another steep increase. There won't be much cause to celebrate. Over time, I have moved from crypto skeptical to what I call crypto hopeful. So this is a good moment to assess how radically lower crypto prices will affect how socially valuable crypto will prove to be. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm not even listening to that. So let's go to here. Ripple partners with Modular. Very bullish on that. Again, this is just an unstoppable company, guys. So again, moving payments in the UK and Europe. So again, it's just incredible to see how many partnerships Ripple is making, even in the midst of a lawsuit. It's insane. This is another project here. Kin receives a very bullish rating. This is one of my biggest gainers today. Literally, and we at the 2nd of February. Kin is a Web3 project as well. So again, I've got a decent bag of Kin. The token supply is insane. It's really high. But again, Web3 projects are going to be big. You know, coming out this year with, you know, you've got Meta doing their stuff in the metaverse. I was literally watching CNBC last night, and they were talking about land in the metaverse as well. Some pieces of land in Sandbox are selling for like, you know, millions of dollars for digital real estate. Insane. Crazy stuff here, guys. And obviously that's in Mana as well, Decentraland. So Kin has got a very bullish rating. So we got here over the last few days, Kin has earned a very bullish rating on the Investor Observer Sentiment Score. The Sentiment Score measures the performance of Kin over the past 5 days and volume of price movement. Very, very nice. So a coin and cryptocurrency that exists on its own blockchain. These are typically used for payments, depending on the cryptocurrency. What those payments are used for may vary in the use of digital money, subclass to more specific use in some other subclasses. Anyway, let's get into some other news here. We've got Near Protocol. Again, I said Near Protocol. I am holding it. I think this could easily go up to the Solana levels. This is on NASDAQ from January 14th. You know, where will the $150 million take the Near crypto? So again, they obviously, you know, raised $150 million of capital. Some insane price predictions here. You've got Wall Street investors saying it could hit $26 to $78 respectively. Gov Capital saying it can hit $47 to $338. I think it can easily hit that. Finally, currency.com points out that it can hit $24 to $42. Again, I think Near Protocol could easily hit those levels. It's an incredible project, obviously Web3. It's going to be an incredible project. So Near Protocol is among the blockchain networks seeking to grow decentralized application space, Web 3.0. By encouraging new projects to be built, Near Protocol helps to bring blockchain to the masses. Again, very bullish on Near. So let's go into Twitter because there's a lot happening on there today. Crazy stuff. Ripple, the new partnership here with Modular. I'm just saying that before. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology need clear regulatory and licensing frameworks designed to address and remedy the specific challenges to our industry. Brad Garlinghouse. Of course, you've got a tweet here from Michael Saylor. The only thing you will regret in old age is not doing it. Investing is one of those. So if you're young now, my philosophy is start investing as soon as you can. If you're young, start investing. My goal is now to at least invest 20% of whatever I earn in all my businesses into investments with cryptos and stocks. That's my goal. 20% at a minimum. If I earn more, I'll throw it into my investments because I've seen some incredible gains, especially in my dividend portfolio. I hit a milestone today, which is really nice. To see this paying off. So staying focused here, guys. The US is now $30 trillion in debt. So obviously, where do you think the smart money is going to go? Cryptos, for sure. This is a tweet from Greg Foss, so thank you for this. Hey, world investors, global debt, US $400 trillion in assets that is programmed to debase. It is fiat contract, guys. So BTC is a sub $1 trillion asset. Is programmed as the most secure store of value ever created. Where do you think smart money will flow? Cryptos and Bitcoin. Plan B. So you've got January 2022 close 38,000, 62% below the stock to flow target and outside the what have we got here? 1SD band. So again, stock to flow is still in an upward trend, ladies and gentlemen. So I think we're going to see some incredible prices with Bitcoin this year. It's just a matter of patience, staying with it. Empower oversight here. So they've filed a new request with the SEC seeking documents that would show how it searched for records related to alleged crypto conflicts of interest before claiming that no responsive records existed. So again, they're going after the SEC. The SEC is avoiding them, all release of information because they're in trouble. Good. So Michael Saylor buying 660 Bitcoins from $25 million in cash at an average price of $37,000 USD for Bitcoin. So he's just bought 660 Bitcoins. That is insane. That is a lot. And he currently owns 125,000 Bitcoin. That is a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen. That's incredible. Another pronounced bull run for Bitcoin coming in 2024. We'll see what happens there. That is just a Harley just going past the office screaming there. So exclusive Ripple cozies up to US regulators amid global payments push. What have we got there, ladies and gentlemen? The Digital Pound Foundation. That's what's happening. So I'm just having a sip of water. A Digital Pound Foundation, Electronium, Ripple, Quant. Again, I'm holding on to all these investments, guys. So I think it's going to be big. So the booming cryptocurrency sector complaints are that Washington has gone too far when cracking down on unregulated products and are getting tested in a key lawsuit targeting Ripple Labs. I wonder why. You know why? Because Ripple's going to be a mega project. So I'm very bullish on that. Boom, Jack the Rippler here. Obviously, this is the article on Modular here. So Digital Pound Foundation. We've got 24th of February. There is a live webinar, so it'll be good to watch this. So there's the link there on my Twitter page. John Deaton, over 63,000 XRP investors, invites non-US investigators to demand a congressional investigation on the SEC for impropriety. Going to be interesting to see what happens there. Blockchain, Morgan Stanley, the metaverse is an $8 trillion market that will replace mobile internet. I think the metaverse is going to be absolutely huge. Blockworks again, thank you for this. Russian government owns 12% of all global crypto holdings valued at $200 billion. That's very interesting as well. So we've got here, Ripple's General Counsel says all roads don't lead to the SEC because the SEC doesn't have the rational regulatory framework. Rational regulatory framework. Going to be interesting to see what happens there. Again, I'm very bullish on this case because I think Ripple's going to win it. So we've got another tweet here. Furthermore, due to this company's rapid expansion, the partnership with Ripple, a blockchain company, has recently announced a collaboration with international remittance services, guys. So again, this is very interesting here. Ripple is highlighted as a partner for Nubank in this article. Very bullish. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is going up to 26 now. Finally, about time. India to regulate and not ban Bitcoin and crypto introduces new tax to rules in 2022 budget. They're going to be taxing people 30% there. You can see by CZ Binance. Going to be interesting to see what happens there. And again, that's the tweet there with the Mr. Biden there with XRP and Ripple, guys. And again, this is in 23 hours ago. $500 million of XRP, 500 million XRP tokens was unlocked from the Ripple escrow. So I need to look into this to see whether it's getting burnt. I'm pretty sure it does, but this is a regular occurrence with Ripple and XRP because they're released in their escrow account because they're holding a significant amount of XRP tokens. And again, Sleeping Giant, XRP and Ethereum, I agree there. So we've got another one here from 23 hours ago. Arizona Senator introduces bill that exempts Bitcoin and crypto from property taxes. So that's really good as well. That's pretty much it in terms of the news today. But again, very bullish on Ripple and XRP. They are unstoppable with their partnerships. Let's go into 3Commas. There is a link below if you wanted to look into trading. It's been an incredible app for me. I'm down significantly in my positions because it just crashed. So I'm just holding it out, waiting it out, but it's made me $76 in profits. Everything's on hold at the moment. I'm using $1 cost averaging block using the Block Party Binance USD Tether signal, and I've got all my deals here set up. They're all down significantly, guys. So a couple of them in the positive here. Actually, you know what? Let's go to all active view because I haven't been on this for a while. So we'll go to active. There you go. You can get the app. It's incredible. So you can see all my deals are down significantly, like 40%, 23%, 12%. Again, I just let them sit there, do their thing, and hopefully the market picks up, which I'm very positive about, and these deals will be completed, and I'll take out some profits. But this bot here, I've got 5 safety order counts. I've got 5 safety orders, which they've all been fulfilled. 10 USD Tether buys. Safety orders, obviously 5 of them taking 15 USD Tether safety orders. So once it dips, it buys more and buys more. And when it moves up, it'll take profits. I've got 15 deals currently active at the moment. But guys, 3Commas is incredible. Check it out if you're interested in trading. It's fully automated. You set it maybe and you forget it for about a week or so. Then you come back, you review and make sure your deals are doing what they're doing. But again, paid signals is what I use. Block Party as well. So let's go into CoinMarketCap quickly. Don't want to keep you guys too long. Market cap sitting at 1.7 trillion today. BTC sitting at 41%. Ethereum 18%. 17,200 cryptocurrencies. there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. We're in the greens in the last 24 hours. Gainers, Eunice said Leo. I've seen this so many times, I don't know what it is. I'm going to look into it. Mina, Solana's up 9.12%. The Graph, 8%. Render token, 7.16%. Very bullish. Now, if I go to my portfolio, I'm just going to have a quick scan through this because I don't want to keep you too long. Here's my portfolio. Bitcoin sitting at $38,000 right now, USD. I think if this hits up to the 40,000 and remains there for a couple of days, I think we'll be good. But again, it hasn't really dropped much below this 36 to 35 mark. It's been pretty much consolidating flat, for the last week. So it's literally going sideways. Anyway, it's still up 4.99% in the last 7 days. But again, if you go to all time, just go to all time to have a look here, 26,000%. People haven't lost on Bitcoin if they held, straight up. Cardano, XRP, 63 cents. Cardano, I'm very bullish on. I'm staking that on CoinSpot. Here's all my holdings. I'm not going to read them all out because it will take me too long. But again, I'm very bullish on my portfolio and just DCAing into my favorites like XRP, XLM, XYO, every single week, building my position. Again, XDC is a gem. It is up 1,500% and is at 5 cents right now USD. So it's a great opportunity to DCA into. 37 billion max supply, and it's got under $1 billion market cap. So it's got a long way to go there in growth. Trade finance, going to be a mega project here. And again, it's an ISO 222 compliant project. That's pretty much it for the news update today. Let me know in the comments today, are you buying anything? Love to hear your feedback. Stay safe, guys. Peace. Bye.